Hi friends, this is Venkat with Lead the Life. In this video, we are going to see how to install KM Player. Let's do it. Open Google Chrome. In the search bar, type KM Player. Now scroll down until you see kmplayer.com and then click on it. Now click on English because the site will load in Korean language. Now scroll down to KM Player 64X. There you can see the features of KM Player 64X. Under that you will find KM Player 32-bit with its features. Now move to the top of the page and select the version you want to download. I am going to download 64-bit version because my Windows is 64-bit version. Then it will forward you to the download page. Click on English language again. Then click on download. Click on download after confirmation. Click on download again. Now click on download for the last time. You can see download has been started. It will take time to download based on your internet connection. I am going to fast forward it. Now open the download location and click on KM Player setup file. Select the preferred language and click OK. Click on Next. Accept the license agreement. Click on Next again. Browse the location where you want to install KM Player. Then click on Install. To install KM Player, you need to have Microsoft Visual C++ libraries. To install them, mark box beside license agreement. Then click on Install. Now click on Finish. KM Player installation will continue. Now click on Finish. You can see KM Player has opened. I will play one video as sample. To open each and every video file with KM Player, right click on any one of the video, select Properties, now click on Change, then select KM Player and click on OK. That's it, now you can play every video file with KM Player. Now I am going to open one song. Okay guys, this is the end of the video. If you like the video, hit like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.